Hi, this is Tom Barclay, Senior Product Manager for Flash Professional, and welcome to another sneak peek of coming attractions. This week we're going to be talking about on-device debugging. So last week we talked about creating an error application and publishing it directly to the device. Now you want to be able to take that a step further and actually test and debug it on the device so you can see if the native capabilities such as use of the accelerometer, GPS, camera, and other capabilities you can access through air are providing the right input. And so we can test that out in debug mode. So to do that, we'll have a simple example here of a ball that moves around using the accelerometer. So we set up an accelerometer handler here that picks up the accelerometer update event. And on every frame, it's moving the ball based on that input. It's moving the X and Y position. And so what I want to do is test to see when that hit happens, when the ball is hitting the right side of the screen, at which point it will reverse direction and bounce off. So I'm going to put a breakpoint in the code right here on line 20. That will do that test. It'll stop there. And then I'm going to set up two trace statements that I can step through the code to get those trace statements back, including the exact ball position at that breakpoint. So now I've got this set up, I can go up to debug and see the new option here to debug on device via USB. I click debug and it's going to package it up in debug mode and publish it to the device over USB and automatically install and run the application and start sending us information back to the debug mode in Flash Pro. So Flash Pro is flipped over to the debug mode, and you can see now on the device we've got the ball, it's moving around, showing that the accelerometer events are working. Now if I move the ball to the right side, it's going to stop. See, now it's stopped because I've set a breakpoint. So it's obviously hit this if statement, testing for the ball hitting the right side of the screen. And now I can step through the code and show how you can get those trace statements back. So if I do the step in, takes you down to the next line and one more to take you through that line. You can see now we're back in the output panel. We've got the ball hit the right side of the screen, so we've got that trace statement, and hit it again, and you can see that we've got the exact XY position information. And so if I did put that XY trace statement up here, I could actually show in real time as I'm moving the ball around the exact position of the ball. So a great way to be able to test your content on the device and get real-time information back to help you debug and to optimize your code very quickly. Thanks for tuning in and stay tuned for more sneak peeks.